All right, so right now we are at No Frills. We're gonna do some grocery shopping. We're just grabbing a couple of things, just a quick shop. Well, it's not a couple of things, a lot of things. I'm shopping for the next 2 weeks, so we're gonna grab a couple of things. Pauline's here. No, it's right, it's fine. No. That's gonna be too far. You wanna say hi to everybody?
Hi.
Yeah, we're just doing some quick shopping. We're gonna go first here and then Dollarama and then Walmart. So we'll just show you guys what we're doing. You wanna say hi, Joris? Say hi, buddy. I'm gonna grab some green onion. Alright, so we got that. How much is that? 99 cents. That used to be 69 cents. Alright. Let's get some peppers. I don't even know how much it is. Let's hope it's not too bad. How did you turn around like that? Oh, we have to be very careful with him in here. Because they don't have the thing like Walmart. Okay. 288, not too bad. This is good. But what do you cook it with? Oh. You would know better. I don't know. Let me show you another one. Look at this one. This one looks pretty fresh. You both look, I don't know. Yeah? Okay. So we found this in No Frills. I've never seen. What is it? Sweet sap?
Sweet sap.
Yeah. So they have that now. They call it Atimoya. Atimoya. $3.99 for it. Interesting. I'm watching. Yeah, look at that. Looking at getting some of these. Nope, we're gonna get it now. All right, so looks like I'm doing most of the groceries here, and then I'm gonna go to Walmart and grab the little tiny things that I need. Yes, I still have to get macaroni and cheese and stuff. All right, so we're just cashing out now. We're packing up groceries. Majority's getting a little snacky. Yeah, so not too bad. We got mostly everything we needed. We're just gonna go to Walmart next and grab everything else that we need. All right, so we're at Walmart right now. We're just gonna grab a couple of things here. Bread and snacks for the kids. Jari and Pauline behind. Just gonna do a quick thing because Adrian has to go back to the studio and record or edit. So he's gonna edit right now. So I'm gonna hurry up and grab what I need and then head back home to the kiddos.
Meanwhile,
apparently because juice lacks fiber, it isn't the best choice. At this point, my stomach was an absolute wreck.
There's cupcakes as well. The cupcakes are cheaper. They're $3.97. I don't know. It's up to you what you want, but it's the same thing as a cake. Yeah, they are. They're just as sweet. Yep. And all these cakes are sweet. You're not gonna get. Oh, watch out! Watch out! Yep. So we're gonna get some mini wheats. If you like mini wheats below, comment. If you like mini wheats, comments below. But there's a new special edition that we've just seen. Mini wheats blueberry. So we're gonna try this out. I've never tried this one, so hopefully it tastes good. All right, so we got everything we needed at Walmart, and now we're gonna go home. First, we're gonna grab pizza, and then we're gonna go home. So I'll give you guys a little haul of everything that we got. Spent almost like we spent a lot, but we made some good choices. So that's a good thing about it. So Jari's tired. Yeah, we're just gonna go home and relax now, eat some pizza.
the next day.
Alright, we're going. So it's another day today, a boys' day, you know the thing go. And me and the boys them get together. So Jamie there. We go to a barbershop. You know, I normally cut here, but I don't have no time right now. So I go to a barbershop and cut it two over here. And we are going to do some shopping at Dollarama and them thing there.
Yes.
And then we are go. There's a games room at the studio that I have the office. So we're going to go there at the condo and play some games. You ready? You can see here. Yes. Turn side here. Turn side here. You can see here. Alright, turn the next here. Alright, barbershop. Typically, my barber they down in the Ajax side, but can't go see my barber today. Reason being, rain out of the today. Whole heap of rain a fall, and I have a limited time to get a lot of stuff done. So there's a barber shop here close by. I go just go so boom and stop by this. So my barber, big up yourself. Is it? Nah, sell you out, you know. Or just can't make it down today. So I go run go this. I know in barber shop go busy right now. So yeah, I'll get that done. I'll check back here. Alright, so John time is here, go on. Going into the dollar store. Go on. What we doing? Get some stuff right now. Go on.
Thank you.
Go on. Thanks. Alright, so gonna get some
Here.
So what we're gonna get? Oh yeah. So the games things here, right here. They should be here. Go on in front so we can see up on the camera. So we're gonna play table tennis. So we need to find those balls and the table racket. Come, you don't know table tennis, you? Look if you see the racket.
Oh, these? Like these?
No. Like a little bat.
Oh, that.
Alright, we're gonna search and see if we find those.
Yeah, I do that. I have those at school. So we got our
Racket.
stuff for our
Table tennis.
table tennis.
But these aren't the actual ones. We just can't find the small rackets.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna settle for these,
Yep.
as well as
Yep.
just some regular
Yep.
ball. And
Yep.
that's how we're just gonna play the game. As we said before, it's just temporary for right now, but yeah, we can still use that. Come. So we're gonna use that and
Yep.
play the game. Let's go. Just gonna grab some snacks too, because I don't have much snacks at this place.
Got
Okay.
some snacks. So
That's good. What's that?
this is Mars.
Mars
I
bars.
like creamy snacks. Like Mommy
You
said.
have Mars bars and Doritos.
Yeah,
and
so
I have
if you're
drinks.
at-
You have water in that car.
I learned something. So if you're at Dollarama, if you want creamy, you get Mars. If you're at like Walmart, you would get the creamy one. I think it was Mars here, and then I think it was Titan at Walmart. I forgot. But yeah.
Alright, let's cash out. Yeah, thank you. Come, have a good one. Alright, so gonna go ahead and do our next stop. Let's go watch your road. Quick stop at Bulk Barn. Grab some cash. Go on, open the door, go on. Oh, thank you. Go on. Grabbing some cashews.
Yep.
Cashew pieces, roasted.
Yep.
Covered almonds. Snack, you know? Alright, come. Pull up at Popeyes where I get out. I get some protein powder. You don't know my protein powder I done, you see? So yeah. Go on. Alright, so and jump time out there. I'm busting from early now. These are the store where you come shop for your supplements, you know. We're at the barbershop. Gonna get you nice and clean. Let's go. So we just left the barbershop just now, but they're saying they only do appointments. So they have a few walk-ins sometimes, but they're only available until 3 o'clock. Right now it's almost 1 o'clock. So just gonna take this time out to go and play some games. So you ready, Jamir?
Yeah.
So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. So we're here. We're here.
Yep.
Right here. Garbage over there. All right. So game time, buddy.
Let's go.
So the goal is to not let this drop on the ground.
Or touch the mat.
You know the rule.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Take that point.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I need
So you get 2 points. 2 points for you.
Yeah, 2 points.
All right, let's go. As we said before, these are not the right ones. This is, and they have some different bars, but we're gonna work with these, right?
Yep.
Let's go, bro.
That was too hard. Wait, let's see how. Let's see. Oh, Max is lucky.
Whoa.
I just improved.
Good job.
Ah, you got a point.
Let's go. So we done serve up some table tennis. Jamir is gonna draw for us. Let's see. Let's see
Okay. You should try to draw too. Show them your
my drawing skills. All right. Hold on.
draw a normal stick man.
You draw a stick man, man. Draw somewhere else.
See, if you don't know how to draw a stick man, basic. Do a circle. Then, after you're done that, you're gonna do a line. When you're done doing a line, right in the middle, right here, we're gonna put 2 lines this way, 2 lines each way, and then you can do this, you can do that, or you can do this, you can do.
Like his hand is up.
You can make his hand up or whatever you want.
All right. Look at this.
You can
Look
do
at
it
this.
however you
Look at
want
this.
his hands.
Look at this tree. Look. What's that?
Oh boy.
And then this.
Whoa.
Boom. 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 Yeah, I say.
Whoa, you can make him like actual boy. That's so
There.
cool.
You write the word boy. And you draw boy.
That's so cool.
There.
So that's how you draw a stick man. I'm gonna put his hands up like he's excited. Let's see. Okay, so you can look at him do it. So if you want to try to do what he did.
I'm gonna do some pepper green.
No.
Pepper green, right? My green.
Oh, like that's cool. And then, so you do this. You can put hands on yours if you want. You can just put some fingers. Or if you don't want it to look like this, you can also just kind of like.
Alright, so stick man. Circle.
Yeah.
Stick. Stick. One
Yeah,
hand
I
up.
should do it taller.
One hand down. Smiling face. Smiling back at me. Yep. Don't do it. Try not to do that just me.
Yep.
One nice good ears.
Okay, let's see. I'm gonna put swirlies.
Just 5 fingers.
I'm gonna make mine silly. Okay, he's gonna have big shoes.
You get some toes.
Mine's gonna have the biggest shoes.
How can I dress this stick man up now?
but I'm just used to doing 4 or 3 fingers.
Okay, like it's animated. So big red shoes, silly tongue. Jamir is a real artist, and then we got that from Joanna Boy.
I need a outfit. Wait, where's the what? I'm
You
gonna
know
use
what?
a different color.
Outfit,
Yep.
blue. Okay, you're gonna give him an outfit now. All right, let's see. Let's see.
Wait, yeah.
You know what? You can make his pants black and his shirt blue.
Huh? Oh, I think I want to kind of like.
Highlight it. Okay, okay. Jamir moved from a stick man to that. Very animated. So, big up yourself.
Yep.
Let's go. Push. Let's go, my boy. Alright. So we're inside.
Oh yeah, small dumbbell.
So yeah, Jamir wants to work out, so
Active.
that's what. Eh?
Active. Keep it active.
Give me the ball.
Yeah.
Tell your friends. Where you say tell your friends?
Huh?
Where you say you're gonna tell your friends?
Keep it active so you can be healthy. Work out. Eat good. Have a longer life to work out. Work out and stuff. So
So let's go. So treadmill settings. Don't go too fast.
I'm not. Okay, good.
Alright.
I never went on the treadmill before, so I'm just going this fast.
First time on the treadmill.
Yep. Like second time because I went on it before.
Alright, go on.
It's actually cool.
Yeah. Hold on and walk. Hold on and walk. I'm gonna show you how it's done. So start. You're gonna go up to a speed 1. Oh, you're 1.2. I'm gonna go to 2. So this is how you do it?
Yep.
You got me. So just walk. Just walk. Just walk. So just step. Yeah, step. Just step.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Just step. Just step. No, don't step down, sir. Just step. Just walk. Just walk regular.
Oh, it's like
Yeah. Yeah, just walk like you try hit up in the thing. Walk like you try hit, but you're not gonna hit because you're walking. You're too close. Back up, yeah. Lift up here. Just look for me. Walk and look for me. Look at me. Look at my foot. Look at my foot. I'm just walking normal. Don't stamp your feet, just walk. Yeah. Stop move timid, you're not gonna drop. You're doing this. Look, this is you. This is Jamie. Don't do that. Just walk. Look. Walk. And the Jamaican bad man walk. Alright. More speed. Hey, stop. Yeah, run. Hold on on them. Hey, look. Hold on on these. The handle. Run. Lift up your head. Run. When you want to stop, hey, look. Don't put it so much. Hold on tight. Backside. Hold on tight.
this one though.
Yeah, but you will drop. When you want to stop, you just do this. Look. To the side, yeah? No. People use it for... I'm sure it's some workout. Hold on. So, for your calves. Watch.
Is that really heavy?
Do this for the ass.
Oh, so you do that? Wanna try? Okay. Hold on.
Lots of things you can do. I think this one is too big. Hold on.
Oh, yeah.
Uh, yeah, hold it. Yeah, up, down. Yeah. Go on. Hold on. Go on. My ass. Come, me not touch it.
Real slow, bad.
Come. No, I don't grow. I just want to see if that contract you have. Hold it. Yeah. Up, down. Up, down. Nice. Nice. Okay. Alright, some people do this. Some people do this for their hobbies. Like they do this. And then you turn. Kids are supposed to use that machine.
Yeah, but I don't know.
Let's use dumbbell.
Yeah, I want to use a dumbbell. 5 pounds.
Why not? Let me see. Why not? Yeah. So, yeah. Very nice. So, down. Up. Yeah. Oh, that's the chest. Yeah. Down. Up. Yeah. Stand up straight. Chest up. Chest up. Yeah. I can do this one. Curl it. Curl. Remember we always do this one? Curl.
Oh, yeah, I know.
This for your bicep. So,
Okay. What? Steady? Steady?
yeah.
Challenge.
Let's
Challenge
go.
for you.
Let's go.
Okay. So, what you do? So.
You're gonna challenge me. Let's go.
So,
Challenge me.
so you take one. You take one, each one, until we get all the way to the
So what am I doing? What kind of workout?
You're just gonna have this, and you're gonna have to hold this both hands. No, you have to do this and see.
Alright, good.
Okay.
So the challenge is to see if I can lift all of these weights from the lightest to the heaviest. Let's go.
Okay, first one.
How much? How much reps?
Huh?
How much times? 5 times?
What? 10.
Alright.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So that's 5 pounds.
No, that.
10 pounds.
Let's go.
Woo!
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Woo!
Oh yeah, those parts are doing it. Now, same next after this is 45. 45 after. When you're ready.
Hey, listen. This guy gave me a tough challenge,
Yep.
but won't back down. Let's go! Guess what this is called? Beast mode!
Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
5. Take a break.
Yeah.
Take a break. I feel the crack of my bones.
Yeah.
Woo! Let's go. 50 pounds.
Go. The ultimate count. Let's go. Okay, 50. Don't do too much. Do like 5 pounds or something. Because do 5 or 10 pounds. Do 5 if you can. Do 10 if you can. But don't do it too high because he's a little better. I mean, he does it a lot, so he knows how to do it better.
Yeah.
That's why he does.
And I'm doing it safely.
Yeah.
I work out 5 days a week, so Let's go, let's go. Hello. Alright. Let's go, let's go.
3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go. Let's go. 7, 8, 9, 10.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
That was actually.
Challenge accepted, challenge completed.
Yeah. Finish. How? Finish. Go.
Ooh,
That was probably intense, right?
it was. That's a proper shoulder workout for the week.
But see how many 5.
Don't do that.
I want one.
No go fun.
This is extreme. Without even holding. Look how fast. Whoa. That's extreme.
Let's go.
So now we're going to the barber shop. A while ago, the camera it died, but we're going to the barber shop now to do my hair.
Yep. Get a
Me
nice haircut.
and Daddy.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
So we're going
Go on, go on.
to
Go on, go on. Alright. Get jump time. Nice go. For some reason when I cut his hair it doesn't sit like that, so I'm not gonna cut it no more, bro.
I'm trying my best to stay still.
Yeah, you stay still when you're cutting. Right, Mr. Crisp.
Sure is.
Nice.
Wee!
That's too bad.
Wee! Oh!
Come through, Jonathan. So, how you feel? How you feel? How you feel, jump time?
Feel good.
Stand up right there,
Yeah.
sir.
Feel good. I'm done doing my hair.
Turn it back. Crispy like cream. Crispy cream. Got my son flying on a fly.
Just cut my hair.
So to end off our day, we're gonna stop and get some Burger King. What do you want from Burger King?
No, really. Let's see. I wanna have.
Do you know Burger King menu? You don't come to Burger King. You're a McDonald's guy. What do you know that? What did you have the last time that's on their menu? They have the ketchup nuggets.
I wanna have a Whopper, and then what? What?
No Whopper. You can't eat Whopper.
How big is a Whopper?
It's big, but if you can eat it, then fine.
I don't know how a Whopper is.
It's a big sandwich. Oh, big like the sandwich that I made for you the other day.
Oh, yeah. I wanna have a Whopper, maybe. I wanna have a Whopper. Let's see what's on there. Whopper.
Alright, here we go.
Yep.
Jump time got his Burger King. We're ready to go home. Let's go. Boys, we're gonna watch a movie later on, right?
Yep.
Alright.